Here we go. Yeah! Oh yeah! Here we go! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Okay. The speed is insane. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! How's it going, everyone? It's Joe from Joe's Thrill Journeys. Just arrived to Six Flags New England. This is a park that's about an hour away from me, maybe a little bit less than that. There are a ton of coasters here. Some of the headliners are Superman the Ride, the Wicked Cyclone, and the new for 2026 Quantum Accelerator. There's a bunch of other coasters as well, but yeah, I'm looking forward to being here. Haven't been here in almost a year, so it should be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get the day started. Check out some of the theming here in the queue line for Quantum Accelerator.
Maybe us.
Yeah! Got some airtime there. All right. Here we go. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Let's go. Airtime, all right. There's a good floater on this ride. Just got off of my first ride of Quantum Accelerator. This is the new for 2026 Intamin straddle coaster. I have to say, there's a lot of floater airtime on this ride. There's 11 possible airtime moments. I felt about probably 5 of them, maybe 6. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I waited about an hour for this ride. It was overall a solid ride. It's not one of my favorites. Probably the 3rd best in this park, maybe 4th best. But I'm going to try to get on some of the other coasters here to confirm that. And I will let you know at the end of the day. Up next would be this Tacoma Boomerang, but unfortunately it's closed. And then the next ride over here is Pandemonium, which is one of those wild mouse spinner kind of things. And honestly, I'm kind of glad they're closed because these are my 2 least favorite rides in the park. Second coaster of the day for me is going to be the Wicked Cyclone. This is an RMC hybrid, and if you know me, you know I love these coasters. Iron Gwazi, Steel Vengeance, Wildcat Revenge, some of the greatest that I've been on so far. And Wicked Cyclone is up there with the best of them. So without further ado, let's get in line for that. We are on the Wicked Cyclone here at 6 Flags New England. Back row, let's do this. Solid views on the left here. We have made it to the top. Here we go! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Okay. The speed is insane! Inversion! ejector, holy crap. Whoa, that was nuts. Oh my gosh. For ejector, holy crap. Oh yeah, good floater there. Whoa. Just got off of an insane back row ride of Wicked Cyclone. This is definitely better than what I remember it being, for sure. So much ejector airtime, it was crazy. But even some floater airtime too on some of the inversions. I really enjoyed it. The overall ride experience was a lot of fun. The first drop is quite a lot of fun, especially when you're in the back row. And then you just never know what to expect with the inversions. It was a lot of fun. But one thing that I did not like is I was waiting in line for the back row, and they have priority boarding here on this ride, and I literally felt like there was at least 15 people that had priority boarding that specifically chose the back row. So kind of annoying, maybe wait a little bit longer than I would have liked on this specific ride, but you know what, it's okay because I think I got a really good ride on it and it was worth waiting for the back row. So now it's almost 4:30, it's around 4:15 or so. I'm going to try to get a ride on Superman, the ride. It's an Intamin Hyper. I'm not sure what else I'm going to be able to do after that because this park closes at 6 p.m. today. I do plan on coming back here at some point in the future, so as far as the smaller rides, those will get priority in the next time I come and visit here. So yeah, I'm going to try to get a ride or two on Superman and then probably call it a night. I might have time for one more, but yeah, overall it's been a great day so far. Got rides on 2 awesome rides, and then I'm going to get to see which one truly is the best, Superman, the ride, or Wicked Cyclone, and then that'll be the end of this video. All right, so yeah, I'll see you once I get over to Superman. So just in case I don't get to ride Thunderbolt tonight, I just wanted to point out that Ace recognizes Thunderbolt as a landmark. As I was making my way over to Superman to ride, I noticed that Thunderbolt, which always has a really long line, was actually pretty short today. So, you know what, I'm gonna get on it. Quick update, I'm the next person in line, and of course Thunderbolt is down. Since I'm the next person, I'm gonna wait it out until at least 5:15-ish. If not the end of the world. Wasn't expecting to get on everything today anyway, so it's okay. All right, we are on Thunderbolt here at Six Flags New England. This is not the tallest, not the fastest, but it is one of the older ones as far as wooden coasters. Police landmark, we are on the lift hill. Here we go. The wind feels nice though. It's really crazy out. All right, first drop. Yeah, whoa. Okay. Solid first drop. Yeah. Whoa. Just got off of Thunderbolt, and this is a wooden coaster, one of the older wooden coasters in New England, and I have to say, this had surprisingly good ejector airtime. I was not expecting that at all on a ride like this, considering it's not the tallest, definitely not the fastest, but you know what? You feel like you're getting ejected out of your seat sometimes. The third drop was a small drop, but I felt some really interesting ejector, and then there was just a lot of mini drops, and those kind of rides are a lot of fun. So yeah, I enjoyed it. I think the plan for me is to get on Superman, which is right behind me. It's an Intamin Hyper. And then if I have time to do Riddler's Revenge or something else, I will. If not, I'm going to come back here a different day and finish up the rest of the coasters for you guys. So that's the plan. It's a little bit after 5 right now, and we are headed over to Superman, the ride, the Intamin Hyper coaster. Alright, we are on the lift hill for Superman the Ride. This is an Intamin Hyper coaster. You can hear some of the onboard audio as we are approaching the top. I am toward the back. I believe I'm row 8. I didn't want to wait too long for the back because I've been waiting all day for certain rows. But we are about to drop. We got the lake to our left, coasters to our right. Here we go. Are we there yet? We're there. Here we go. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, sometimes these second hills are better than the first. Yeah! Let's go. Oh yeah! Hey everybody, just got off of Superman the Ride. This is the Intamin Hyper coaster here at Six Flags New England, and I have to say, this is a really fun ride. The last time I rode it, didn't really have a great ride on it. I think it was running a little slower than usual last time, but today it was really fun. Very fast, a lot of floater airtime, and some of the best floater airtime in the park. Unfortunately, the park closes at 6 p.m. today, and it's just after 6 p.m., so pretty much everything else is going to be closed. So that is going to wrap up my day here. I'm glad that I was able to get on all of the top attractions here. Wicked Cyclone, Superman the Ride, and Quantum Accelerator were the three that I was really trying to go for. And getting on Thunderbolt was a nice treat as well. I do plan on coming back here at some point in the near future to get on all of the remaining coasters. I have been on pretty much all of them before, but today I was off of work. I figured why not come down, ride a few coasters, and have a good afternoon. So yeah, that is going to wrap up my vlog for today. Thank you all for watching. I'm not sure when the next one's going to be because it's that awkward period where most parks in this general region are closed. And the only time I can really get to a park is if it's on a spring break week, which is like this, or if I'm traveling somewhere, which I do plan on traveling quite a bit this year, but I'm just not sure exactly when.
Girls, may I have your attention, please? The hour for closing has arrived, and we must say goodnight. We would like to thank you for spending the day with us. Don't forget to apply today's paid admission ticket towards the purchase of a season pass at any retail store or guest relations. Again, thank you all for visiting Six Flags New England. Have a safe journey home, and come back and visit us again very soon. Go big, go Six Flags.
So there you have it. As you can see, the park's closed. I had a great day. I was glad I got to come. I wish I would have left just right in the morning. I took my time getting here because I wasn't sure if Superman itself was going to be open. But yeah, that is going to wrap up the vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.